Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how we can change the password of our Weebly account. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. From there, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you click on the account icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see an option saying account settings. Simply click on it. From there, you can see an option saying password, but for updating your password, firstly you have to click on manage account, and there you will see an option saying change password. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, you will be redirected to this login page where you will have to enter your email address. And once you have entered your email address, click on next. Now you will be redirected to this page where you can click on the option saying update password. For updating your password, you will have to enter your previous password, and after that click on the option saying confirm. Now you will have to enter your new password and confirm it. And that's it. You have successfully updated your Weebly password. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.